Hey guys, welcome back to Brighter Folks. Today we are taking a look at a new smartwatch that I just picked up. It's replacing my 2-year-old Pebble Time watch, which has been a great watch, but I just felt I wanted something different and I wanted to try a new watch. So let's go home and unbox it and see all the features and stuff and go from there.
So hey guys, today we're taking a look at the K88H smartwatch. It's meant to be a replacement for my Pebble Time, which I've had for 2 years and got a bit scratched, so it's time to get a nice looking watch to replace it. I looked online and for under $60 I found the K88H, and with the stainless steel band, it looks great. It seemed to have all the features that I was looking for in a smartwatch, and I said for 60 bucks, why not take a chance and take a look at this watch. In the description box below, you'll find a link to the K88H online, where you can take a look at the specs, features, and read some more reviews. The K88H has a nice bright clear display. The touch screen allows you to scroll through the apps and change settings. This smartwatch came preloaded with a good number of useful apps, although I couldn't find an app store or a way to get other apps onto the smartwatch. With Bluetooth, you can connect the K88H to your smartphone, and it works with Android or iOS. It took a bit of testing to get the functions I needed to work, but once it was set up, it worked great with notifications. One of the functions that actually was missing from my Pebble Time was a heart rate monitor, and that was certainly something that I wanted to have on my next smartwatch. So over the course of the next little while, I will play around with the heart rate monitor and see if it's accurate and if it might be useful. So the smartphone will have the Fondue Wear app installed in order to connect to the smartwatch. Once you have everything set up, you'll be able to get your contacts, make phone calls from the watch, and basically have a whole bunch of functionality that the watch on its own wouldn't have.
So hey guys, in conclusion, I would say that the K88H is a great smartwatch. I've had it now for about a week. It's worked just great. It has replaced my Pebble Time. I'm able to get notifications. I've set alarms without any effort. Everything was easy to set up. The app that came with the smartwatch wasn't the greatest. I haven't been able to figure that yet. But other than that, the watch is doing everything it's supposed to do. And I think that at the price point of $60 or less, that the K88H smartwatch is a great watch that you guys should check out. Again, it's linked in the description box below. And if you guys enjoy this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next one.